Specifically designed for Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus 2017, full screen, case-friendly coverage, and easy installation guaranteed. Might not be compatible with some of the rugged cases that are designed to cover on top of the screen. Ultra clear with 99.9% transparency to promote an optimal, natural viewing experience. Highly durable and scratch-resistant, surface hardness 9H. 0.2 mm thickness is reliable and resilient, but promises no interference with screen sensitivity. Includes 1x glass screen protector, wet, dry wipes and installation, user guide, application alignment tool. Top reviews from the United States. Excess materials, packaging, excellent product service. When I first got this, I was impressed by the clear instructions, quality of materials, and ease of installation. I didn't like how A. There was a lot of excess packaging, making the product increasingly unsustainable, and B. That there were also extra unnecessary wipes and stickers that aren't a part of the installation process. I understand why they gave wet and dry wipes, even though I can certainly clean my screen with an alcohol solution and dry it with a microfiber cloth myself, without having to tear open the non-recyclable disposable wipes, and non-recyclable containers they come in, that are included with the purchase. The easy installation tray is a nice touch, mitigating much stress, and when I registered the product and claimed the warranty when it broke, as I was switching phones, it was so sticky that I couldn't pull it off without breaking it, a good sign. They swiftly sent me another one hassle-free, which was another big stress relief. I wish they would have not sent me another easy installation tray though, since I still had the first one. Later on, I dropped my new device from a standing height onto concrete, at a decent speed as well, and the protector bounced off of my phone upon impact and got all dusty and cracked up. My screen was and is still pristine though, so I am most thankful that it indeed seems to function as intended. I am buying another one right now. Excellent company. If they ever decide to be more eco-friendly and sustainable, a suggestion would be to use post-consumer recycled content for the outer packaging. They have the opportunity to earn that last star from me.